Any good fire, as always, it start off with a small fire. Here I have some fat wood there, some natural fat wood fire starter, and some paper towels. So what I'm gonna do is just do a Lincoln log, get it started off with. A paper towel, part of a paper towel. And it's gonna smoke for a little bit until it gets hot enough to start blowing wind through these holes you see in the side here. Once again, this is another real good example of seeing how the vents work with creating a smokeless fire pit. See how it's just, those holes are blowing air into the fire, making it burn hotter. Create a bigger flame too at the same time. Fire pit's working really great. One of the things I was concerned about is if this fire was going to keep me warm, but it's keeping me warm. It's doing a really good job. I'm sitting kind of close to the fire, but it's doing very well. We're also put in some mixture of some green wood with some really dry wood, and it's not smoking too bad. Doing pretty good. Really warm. So it's the morning after the fire. We're gonna see how much debris and ash is left over. As you can see, it burned pretty good. It's not all burnt out, but it's still pretty good burn. Let's see how much is down in the ash catcher. Still a pretty good amount. Very fine powder down there. We can just dump that out, call it a day.